Hi everyone, this is Attorney Aaron from Indiana. I've got a new video for you guys. Let's get started.
Good morning, sir. Are you Cameron Lee Traver?
Yes, sir. And could I
I'm
just say I only missed my court date because I didn't have a ride.
Hang on, Ron. Okay, we'll get to.
okay.
I'm sorry.
All right. Well, I'm Judge Middleton. Judge Pattison is not available today. This was his case. The file number is 221424. Your attorney is Mr. Tim George. Mr. George isn't here right now, but Mr. Keith Stickley is here. You were charged with domestic assault. We've had trouble all along getting you in here.
Yeah.
We've had several fail to appear bench warrants, fail
I
to
promise I'll
appear
appear this time.
for pretrial in August. August 3rd, failed to appear. Then they got you here.
I started living with my mom after. And
Here, this defendant needs to stop interrupting the judge and stop talking over him. The public defender tried to stop him early in the court hearing. Maybe he has not been prepped, but either way, he'd be doing himself a good service if he'd allow the judge to finish, and then he could talk after the judge tells him it's his turn.
But she thought that I was just saying, like, meaning that I had a date to meet with my lawyer, but she thought I could just reschedule that. And I tried making it clear to her that it was for my court date, but this time I just got off the phone with her like an hour or two ago, and she even said if I get out today, she'll guarantee me to be able to come to court. Like I'm living with her.
Well, then you failed to appear on December 1st for plea and sentence. Your mother called. Judge Pattison was not very happy. Then they got you in here on January 25th and you pled guilty to domestic violence. The matter was set for sentence from February 7th. You didn't show up on February 7th. Your mom called on February the 10th. And between February 10th and now, you never turned yourself in. So yeah, we're going to guarantee.
I haven't had a ride to turn myself in, just like I didn't have a ride to court that day. My mom now says she will guarantee me to be able to make it though.
I will guarantee that you'll be there because you're going to stay in jail until we get it set.
When is that?
July.
No, please.
Oh.
Can I please?
Oh, I'm pulling your leg. I'm gonna try to set it next week, but you need to buy a ticket on the Clue Bus and get on it. This isn't something that's an inconvenient nuisance. You're charged with a criminal offense and you failed to appear 3 times. Between February and now, you've made no effort to contact your lawyer.
I haven't. Sir.
Again, judge is telling him, hey, I'm going to try to get you to court for sentencing next week. You've missed 3 court dates. 3 times you've not shown up for court. It seems like the defendant thinks because he doesn't have a ride and his mom is not able to bring him to court that it's a valid excuse and the court should just excuse it like it's not being able to get to the convenience store for a drink or something. This is serious stuff. It's a criminal crime and a criminal charge, and he must treat it as such. But if he would stop talking, it appears the judge is going to get him back in for sentencing in a few days and get him on his way. But he's trying to mess this up again.
Sir, please, I have not had a phone or anything. I just now got my phone 2 days.
All right, well, I'm gonna make sure that you're here. So let's see what Judge Pattison has for next week.
Wait, so what?
Like I said, this isn't an inconvenient nuisance. You're charged with a crime. You failed to appear 3 times and it's too inconvenient for you to come to court. So we're gonna hold on to you until you can come.
I can come to court. I promise this time I can. I'm so sorry. I'm not meaning to miss it or anything. But literally I gotta get out of here to go to my job. I have a job starting Monday in Sturgis at McDonald's and I have to finish turning in my paperwork today. I promise I'll be able to come here. I'm just trying to get a job to make it look better on me. And I don't want to lose a job now that I just am starting to get it. Please. Like I am 100% serious right now. I know that I fucked up and I'm trying to get my life back on track right now. I am serious right now. Please, please, please reconsider it, please. I like you. I can even get my mom to call you guys if you guys let me get out, and I'll have her even vouch for me. Like I will come to court this time. I just want this stuff to get done and dealt with.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
All right, look, it appears Mr. George and Judge Pattison are both going to be in court on Tuesday. That's
Tuesday.
not a
I
lot of
can't do
time to
that.
give notice
I'll lose
to
my job.
complainant. Guess what? You're an adult. You're in the big world, and there's consequences for when you don't take your matter seriously. You're charged with 2 counts of domestic assault, and you failed to appear 3 times.
I couldn't get a ride this last time.
All right, well, I'll give you a ride. Set for sentence before Judge Pattison.
So can I get a bail?
Just a minute. That will be set for March 14th.
What will?
I just looked at it, 10:30.
Will I have the chance to talk to Keith after this?
Yes, sir, certainly. I'm gonna set this before Judge Pattison for March 14th. Oh, that's next Tuesday at 10:30.
Got it.
Yes, I'll put you in a breakout room. You can talk to Mr. Stickley.
Okay.
You lost me with the ticket to the clue bus. I'm sorry.
What's that?
I said you made me lose it with the ticket to the clue bus. Get out.
I'm sorry.
I could. Sorry.
He needs, I don't have tickets for the Clue bus, but I do have for the county bus.
Well, judge has made his decision. He will hold the defendant until the 14th for his sentencing, which would be the following Tuesday. There's consequences for missing court 3 times. I can understand the defendant didn't want to lose his job. Hopefully the job will be there for him after sentencing. See you next time.